don't know if you remember, we talked about a girl na nagko-complain yung asawa niya na addict sa mga online games, hindi na daw siya kinakausap. And then from that conversation, napunta tayo sa baka bored siya sa life niya and how people who are bored, hindi nila alam kung ano yung purpose nila in life. Wala silang bigger purpose. So we started talking a little bit about purpose and how that will help you make your life more exciting. So tinamaan ako dun kasi gusto ko siyang pag-usapan pa. Kasi actually ako, for many years of my life, wala talaga akong purpose. Hindi ko talaga siya pinag-iisipan. Parang, why am I here? Bakit ako ginawa ni God? What is my unique role in this world? Hindi ko talaga siya pinag-iisipan eh. Ang iniisip ko lang, how to make enough money, how to live a comfortable life. And then, yun, parang ngayon lang na-form yung goal ko in life. And yung relationship matters is a big part of that. And then, nung Saturday, may nakausap din akong 21-year-old. Hindi rin niya pinag-iisipan. And it's okay because she's young.
To all the single people na nakikinig tsaka yung mga bata, totoo naman yun eh. Nung bata ka, party, inom.
Yeah.
Sana ma-in love ako, magkaroon ng relationship, Netflix, mag-phone ka, Facebook, ganun. But, somewhere along the way, ito yung mga iniisip naming mas tumatanda na sana alam natin to nung bata tayo.
Yes,
Kasi,
oo.
kung alam mo yung purpose mo nung bata ka, ang dami mong hindi masasayang na oras. Natitrigger tayo na isipin itong topic kapag number 1, nasa burol ka. Number 2, pag nasa hospital ka, may sakit yung loved one mo, napapaisip ka. And then number 3 is tragedies. Mga naghiwalay na mag-asawa, mga nagdi-divorce, nagsasampa ng kaso na mag-asawa against each other. When these tragedies strike, parang na-expose ka.
Saka mo na lang tinatanong yung mga big questions in life. Para saan ba to lahat? Is it really just about traveling and having a Instagram account na maganda? Pero I think it's important for us as early as possible to start thinking about it. Don't take as long as me. Ang ganda kasi to live life na meron kang purpose. Love yourself.